you in the market for a new diagnostic tool? Well, I just might have what you've been looking for. Consider the latest offering from launch, the X431 Torque 5. The X431 Torque 5 is an advanced intelligent diagnostic platform based on the Android 10.0 operating system and features a unique VCI or Vehicle Communications Interface. It's a multifunction unit that serves as the VCI for OBD diagnostics, in addition to being a 2-channel oscilloscope and digital multimeter. This 3-in-1 functionality is meant for usability and streamlined diagnostic workflow. It runs on a 2.0 GHz 4-core high-efficiency processor, mated with 4 GB of RAM and a huge 128 gigs of ROM, all powered by a high-endurance battery that allows the tool to run faster, remain more stable, and last longer on a single charge. The 10.1-inch full-color touchscreen display is easy to read in a variety of lighting conditions, and is home to the menu of options the tool has to offer, starting with Scan Tool Diagnostics. The X431 Torque 5 supports full system fault diagnosis, with functions that include read DTCs, clear DTCs, read data stream, special functions, actuation tests, coding, matching, and more. It also supports the latest vehicle network technologies that many OEM manufacturers are shifting to: CAN-FD or CAN flexible data, and DOIP or Diagnostics over Internet Protocol, in addition to being an approved SCA Secure Gateway scan tool. Connection to the vehicle is done with the DBS CAR 9 VCI. It connects via Bluetooth to the Torque 5, allowing you to work where you need to work at the point of diagnosis. For added convenience, software updates are performed via Wi-Fi directly to the scan tool via the Update Center. And VIN detection allows the tool to ID the vehicle quickly and efficiently, saving you valuable diagnostic time. The 3-in-1 functionality of the VCI not only provides vehicle connectivity, it also serves as a digital multimeter and a 2-channel oscilloscope. Additionally, the X431 software platform features the applications needed to sync with other launch products like ADAS calibration units, the videoscope, the BST360 Bluetooth battery detection, immobilizer programmer, and more. Facing a tough diagnostic challenge? The Launch X431 Torque 5 also features 2 repair resources that can help you solve those complex cases: Code Assist by Identifix and the newly released X431 Fix, powered by Motor Information Systems, available for a yearly subscription. Today's high-tech vehicles require more than a simple scan tool to diagnose. They require a professional diagnostic tool like the X431 Torque 5, a tool with the resources you need to tackle even the toughest of diagnostic challenges. For more information about the Torque 5 or any of the line of Launch diagnostic tools, visit www.launchtechusa.com.